No way. Yo, I do a call of like an island. I'll do a 4 days.
Are you live in that?
Yes, Bishop. I'm live, Bishop.
Greetings, guys.
What's that?
This is the very first night, first light.
First night, first light.
The lights are on.
Prophet, go share.
9 months ago, there was nothing here. Wala ifika mona ne prince. No. And then the Ronaldo must come.
Yeah.
No.
Hi, Prophet.
Yeah. When I get life, I'm like in Alemans. Ere mosang re ne re khutla kgoleho ene ka re ke to obane re khutlile mone se re nahana ha o khutla e ba ka le etsang toro ko hore ene se ka re it's a far fetched thing. And now it was like a dream. Acts 12, here when the angel was sent to deliver Peter. In another bit of Sikhale, Arabella, Ketolena, La Hateti, the church prayed.
Yeah.
The problem in how calling your lady Mutswaga, Unana Lelo Nagisia.
Hey.
Kati, Lomalito Mulupul.
Hey, Bishop.
That is why we believe Alifita Lamo Beale Zoho, Yabadi Ketani Yao.
Hey.
Here a baby Afita, Hafita Lematin Lau Ketela. As he approaches, here a baby that door open at its own accord. Hey, Mara, this is the part I want. After that exit, then he said, Melkano, now I know that the Lord has sent his angel.
Okay.
Coming to the place of now I know.
Man, Prophet. Sure.
Now I know why I had to be had.
Hey, man.
Now I know.
Sure.
Now I know.
Wow.
Now I know.
Sure.
LIT.
Now I know. Let us go to that.
Now I know.
Yeah.
Now, the place of knowing, Rutimaya.
Yes, sir.
When you come to that place.
Yes, sir.
The real arm of knowing.
But here's the power of that.
Sure.
He never went home. He went where prayer was made.
Aye, Prophet. Sure.
He never went home.
Hey, Bishop. At 449.
After 449.
Ay, man.
Sure.
Let us come this side because this side we are still fixing the lights. But the other side is.
Ay. Oh.
Come to here. Stand here, my son.
Aye.
Blessed. You can come this side. Did you fall in the chat?
Ke motshehare ka ntle.
Abo.
Ai, 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 ai.
Daylight. Daylight.
That's why I'm saying, imagine on the 31st.
Hey, Bishop. Aye, Bishop.
Yeah, check our crossover.
Hey.
Hey, KB.
Yo.
Imagine our crossover night.
I know.
Huh? Then we will be just. I don't know that church will be here.
Yeah.
Check the amount of light.
So.
You can see something moving there. It's 260 watts.
Ooh.
One
Yeah.
one light.
Yeah. Daylight.
All right.